Looking for a real human tutor who teaches exactly what you need on your schedule? Stick around to find more about Preply.
Welcome to Best Reviews.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Best Reviews. Today we're diving into Preply, a language learning platform that connects you with private tutors for live one-on-one lessons in more than 50 languages. We'll cover how it works, the standout features, pricing, customer support, and who it is best for so you can decide if it fits your goals. Let's get into it. Here's the big idea. Instead of drilling flashcards inside a fixed app curriculum, Preply pairs you with a real tutor who adapts every lesson to your goals and learning style. You browse thousands of tutors by specialty, schedule, budget, and language, then book a discounted trial to see if the fit feels right. In that first session, your tutor assesses your level and maps out a custom plan so you spend time where it matters most, whether that is grammar, conversation, exam prep, or business language. From there, you can set recurring weekly sessions or book as needed. Lessons run in Preply's built-in virtual classroom on web or mobile, and everything syncs across devices. So you can search on your laptop, take classes on your tablet, and review vocabulary on your phone. Flexibility is a core strength here, thanks to tutors across time zones and a fair reschedule policy if you make changes with enough notice. Personalization is Preply's middle name. You're learning live with a human, not following a generic path, which means pace and focus adjust to you. From conversational refreshers to IELTS exams or workplace talk, tutors specialize in everything. You'll find instruction across popular and less common languages alike, and there are placement tests available to gauge your starting level, helping tutors tailor lessons to you from day one. The virtual classroom covers the essentials for productive lessons. You get video calling, screen sharing, an interactive whiteboard, file and link sharing, and chat so you can practice in real scenarios. A thoughtful note system keeps each session organized with what you covered, new vocabulary, and homework, which makes tracking progress much easier over time. Between lessons, the platform adds light practice tools. The mobile app includes flashcards and pronunciation drills, and there is a Chrome extension called Vocab by Preply to save new words as you browse. These then flow into your flashcards and are handy for reinforcement. The exercises are basic compared to dedicated language apps, but it's fine if we consider that the core value of Preply is in live instruction. Overall, the freedom to structure your learning, the range of tutor options, and the simple classroom experience are what set Preply apart. While the lack of the standardized curriculum means quality depends on choosing the right tutor for you. So here's how pricing works. You pay per lesson, and the rate depends on the tutor. They set their own prices. Once you find someone you click with, you can set up a regular schedule, maybe one lesson a week, maybe 3, whatever works for you. And if life gets busy, just pause or cancel. No big deal. Now, here's the cool part. Your first lesson with any new tutor is half off. And if that trial lesson doesn't work out, Preply's got you covered with either a full refund or a free replacement lesson. The company also runs a referral program. Share your link with a friend and they get a big discount on their first lesson while you get platform credit. Oh, and if you're a university student with verification, you'll get a discount on your first month too. Look, it's definitely more expensive than app-only options, but that's because you're getting actual live tutoring that's customized for you. For more information on deals they're running right now and all the trial details, head over to bestreviews.net. You can reach support through live chat or email, as there's no phone line, which is a bit of a bummer. Response times vary, but once you actually get through to someone, they usually sort things out pretty quickly and politely. The Help Center has stuff on booking, subscriptions, payments, the usual. It takes a second to find what you're looking for, but the articles are there when you need them. Preply is also active on social media, though that's more for announcements and updates than actually helping with problems. Bottom line, Preply really delivers if you want actual one-on-one time with real tutors, flexible scheduling no matter what time zone you're in, and the ability to build your lessons around exactly what you need. We especially like that you get 50% off every time you want to try a new tutor. The trade-off? It's pricier than app-based learning and there's no set curriculum. So honestly, a lot depends on finding the right teacher. We recommend Preply for people who prefer personalized one-on-one lessons built around their particular goals. And as always, go check out our full written review for all the details. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified of future videos. See you next time!